Hi friends, I'm Parvez, and in this video I'm going to introduce my another course on Learn Python from Zero to Hero. Now before talking about the structure of the course, now I have two coupon codes for the course. Now the first one is free and the second one is a paid coupon course. Now there will be some people that they don't like free courses, free coupon codes, then they can join me using the paid coupon code, and I have added the link in the video description. And I will be happy if you're joining through this one because I will earn some money. But I have a free coupon code. Now this is just for 100 students, and you can join this course as a free, but this will be limited for 100 students. And if you're joining, you can just leave your good review and rating. Now so let me talk about the course structure. And right now this is about 41 hours training course. We have Python basics and OOP, object-oriented programming in Python, Python database programming, GUI development with PyQt6, GUI development with PySide6, with tkinter, and also with Kiwi. And also web development with Django 4 and building REST APIs with Django REST framework, full stack web development with React.js and also Django, web development with Flask, and building REST APIs with SQL Alchemy and also Marshmallow. Full stack web development with Flask and also React.js, full stack web development with Flask, Vue.js, building Android apps using Flask and also React Native. We're using Flask as a backend and React Native as a mobile frontend, and also building GUI applications using Flask and also Electron.js. Okay, so also I will update this course because right now there are some sections that I'm working on that. For example, Open Computer Vision in Python, natural language processing, and also 2D and 3D game development with Python. Maybe I will have a section for web scraping using Python. So I will update this course, and I'm working on these sections, but right now this is 41 hours training course with these sections. And also I have mentioned that if you are joining as a paid course, you can join through this link. And if you want free, now this is just for 100 students, and I've added the link in the video description. So you can also check this one and also check this one, and you can choose which one that you want. So now you can just check the video description and you can just get the link from there.